from 50 hectares to 400 to 1,000 to 5,000, like within 2 or 3 hours. And what was once 15 kilometers away is now right here at the hill. And yeah, so now we're just getting our animals ready, and we're probably gonna head back to Kelowna before the highway closes.
I don't know whether my house is gone or still there or not, but that fire came so fast and furious.